Hey everybody, it's Kimberly Biz. I hope you're having a wonderful afternoon. I just wanted to do a quick review video to answer some of you who have been messaging me with questions about what is Facebook ads 50/50, what is YouTube ads, what is that workshop about, and how can it help me in my business. Okay, so one of the most efficient ways that I've found to answer multiple people is to do a quick video. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek inside of the members office of the members area of the Infinity Profits platform so that you can have a better understanding of how powerful these tools are, these courses are as a tool to help you scale up in your business. All right. And so for some of you, you're new to my page and you've been messaging me, asking me about these courses. And just to provide you a little business background about myself, I started out in business for myself. I've been a business owner for about 7 years now. And never look back, not looking back. It's a part of my calling. I'm a very passionate person about business. I love entrepreneurship. I'm called to empower. I'm not an enabler, so I will not take the fishing rod out of someone's hand and go catch the fish for them. No, I will show them how to catch the fish, you know? And so for me, when I started out, which is still my primary business model, is B2B, providing client services, even to the businesses, local businesses in my local area. I started out in business development, and with business development, working with startups from anywhere from 0 to 5 years and older, helping them acquire their state licensing, helping them to develop their marketing proposals and business plans and what have you. And I love it. I still love it because small business absolutely drives the economy. I mean, there is nothing more fulfilling for me that helps me that, I'm able to sleep very good at night knowing that I was able to provide a solution or I was able to participate in someone else's vision coming to pass. Because when someone has an idea in their head and they're able to see that into fruition, that in itself is a very beautiful thing to witness. Okay. And so, that's just a little bit about me. Now, with the internet marketing, I began to expand and evolve into internet marketing with social media marketing using platforms like YouTube and Facebook and doing like online advertising, affiliate marketing and things of that nature. Some years ago as well. And when I started out, like many of you may be dealing with right now, it was very frustrating for me at first because I would post in all of these free groups and I would just get, you get some of everybody. You get all these willy-nilly people hitting you up, not really interested, all over the place because I was all over the place at the time. I was literally beating the air. I had not identified the answers to these 7 questions that I'm going to review with you really quickly. All right. And so some years ago, I linked up with a fellow mastermind coach who I love and appreciate all the value that she leads with into the marketplace because all of her courses, all of her products are evergreen. I still use them to this day in my business. I am a reseller, a consistent reseller of her products because it's just a no-brainer for me with my scope of business and the people that I service and come into contact with who need them. And so as a reseller, I do get 100% commissions that are directly paid to me anytime someone picks up any of these products on the Infinity Profits platform. And the opportunity is available for anybody, there she is now messaging me, for anybody who is interested in doing the same thing. But again, Coach TVD, this is her platform. These are her courses, and linking up with her was definitely good. Is what was just a great investment, for me to invest in her products because her products focus on the solution that a lot of you are looking for, which is how can I reach my target audience? How can I acquire more customer acquisition? How can I grow my business? And so this as a tool is going to help answer that for you because when you think about super targeted hot buying audiences, these are the ideal 7 questions you should be asking as a customer profile regarding your product, brand, or service. I don't care if it's your music, if it's clothing, if you're in the fashion industry or what have you. These are the 7 questions that many marketers do not ask themselves before launching their advertising. And this is why you're not getting the results. You need the answers to these questions. Who are they? Where do they live? What do they do for fun? What are their demographics? What do they read or watch? What is important to them? And what keeps them up at night? That's the biggest one. Because what keeps you up at night? Think about it. How you can further grow your business. because you have a vision, you have a goal for your family, your legacy, and what have you. And so you definitely want to hone in on the answers to these questions, and Facebook ads 50/50 is going to help you to answer that question. As a matter of fact, Facebook ads 50/50 has already answered the question for you in over 50 different niches. And if you're in any of these niches, it would behoove you to get involved, because now you don't have to do the market research. It has already been done for you. There are 50 done for you campaigns inside of Facebook ads 50/50 that answers these 7 questions. Okay. And so this in itself is a webinar that I'm going to drop the link in the comments below for you to come to this free webinar that's already pre-recorded, and it's going to provide you a ton of insight and value, because there is one particular niche, credit repair. I'll just go ahead and tell you, which is also a powerful niche that is going to be reviewed in here to help you understand and show you an actual demonstration of how this tool works. Okay. I'm going to toggle over really quickly now to Facebook ads 50/50, or the Infinity Profits platform as a whole. There are several products on this platform that are available, but I'm going to hone in on the YouTube ads workshop, which is right here. When you come into the members area, when you click access product, you'll have the opportunity to purchase the course for yourself. But inside of here, you have the content that's going to show you, that's going to provide you insight on the secret to, excuse me, I have a lot of messages coming in, the secret of ranking high on YouTube, and also other information that is critical for dominating YouTube. Even the biggest one that I really enjoyed was starting. This is going to help a lot of people. You can get started with a campaign for as little as $10, and this is absolutely fire, absolutely fire. She launched this one a couple weeks ago, and this is definitely a good investment. All of these products are a great investment. Going to 50/50, just to give you a quick glance, and please excuse my voice, it's a little groggy. I'm getting over some congestion because it looks like spring is not coming, right? The weather is just up and down. But inside of Facebook ads 50/50, it gives you over the shoulder training on how to target ads for 50 different niches. Okay, so when you click onto access products here inside the members area, you have the getting started video as well, but you also have some bonus videos that she placed in here. She's always adding value to this platform and to this course at no additional charge. Anytime she plugs anything extra into Facebook 50/50, you don't have to pay any additional fees for it. These are absolutely evergreen tools that you can use. I still use her training from Video Profits, which focused on video marketing, to this day. I'm using it even now. All right. So it absolutely works. And it is a huge time saver, because we get into business to save a lot of time, right? For the time freedom, not just for ROI on our coin, but ROI on our time investment. Okay. And so you have in here different niches that she puts in here. As you can see, this Ad Copy Pro was updated on March the 27th. Okay. Apartment locators, auto insurance. These are already done for you. You don't have to come in here and do the research. The research has been already, the consumer profile has already been completed. You can literally log into here, access this data, and launch your Facebook ads campaign with this targeted audiences. These audiences have already been done for you. Okay, that is a very powerful thing, because I mean, she's covered almost every niche you can think of: cosmetics, baby accessories, auto insurance, apartment locators, credit repair, everything in here. You have, let me go down to another page really quick. You have other niches that are very powerful. Digital marketing, that's a big one. Bitcoin. Um, what else? E-commerce, hair extensions, even dog products, furniture. There are so many other niches in here that are done for you. So that's it for now. I don't want the video to be too long. It's already approaching 10 minutes, and I really wanted it to be like 5. So I'm going to get ready to switch off here, but I will again drop the link in the comments below for you to attend this free pre-recorded webinar and get a little more insight as to exactly how powerful this tool is for scaling up your business. And with that, I'm signing off.